Hey guys, little update on the work in progress and also to share with you some eggs. One more time, lead in the tank. Each time that I'm working on the tank, if I'm trying to rebuild our aquariums, this guy decide to lay eggs for maybe the 10th time. This time they've pretty done a good job, I would say. Maybe because, or thanks to the pH, which was quite low, you can see a lot of eggs are still good, and just the white one are the one with some pills, and in theory you should get rid of them before that they infect the other one. Over there you can see some other eggs in the egg scrambler, and before that I show you, this is the tank, the second tank. You have the first one is over there, and this is the second one. And just this time to show you, I haven't cleaned it yet, and maybe you can't see so much. Yeah, so next time I will show you a bit better, just for you to know that this time I'm quite satisfied by the result. I have to say that I tested a little difference, another preparation to glue these two plates, I would say, and it is the right one, the proper one, in order to avoid all the little bubbles otherwise which are coming here in this 45 degrees connection. So this is a good news. Here you can see this is some L201 eggs, freshly delivered, I would say. The male is here still, and it just fix the female. Yeah, this is this big guy, and the female is the little one just behind. I don't know if you can see, it's a young one, and this guy is the male taking care each time, enfin taking care not so well, I would say. This is the reason why I decided, instead of letting like the L333 male is dealing perfectly well with the eggs, this time with the 201 I'm taking it in the egg reactor. I'm just trying to show you guys from this little how many, maybe 15 eggs. Last time I was able from him to get just these 4 little guys that you can see over there, or maybe not so well. See, you can see them. They still have the little vitellin sac. I don't know in English, sorry, this is a reserve, this is a yellow part that they will use to grow from. So 4 juveniles from this kind of clutch. This male is not a really good male, I would say. Other than that, I'm taking the opportunity to show you. This is some Artemia, but it's supposed to be extra red Artemia for a better, even better coloration of this wild and F1. But since I'm washing, the Artemia, instead of putting the block directly, I can see that the coloration is not in the Artemia, it's just in the ice, I would say, and it's washed away. And this Artemia you get left are just without the red color. They are washed out, and they are not so good, I would say. I prefer the other Artemia that I get in another from another brand. This one a bit crushed and a bit thin, I would say. Nevertheless, they like to eat. Also the breeding pair sometimes try to get a little piece, I would say. And other than that, I would say that's all for the day. Oh, I unbuilt this guy. It was a trophy tank, so it was a 300 liter which were here, and it was the first attempt, for example, to test the silicone injection method between two plates, two pieces of glass, and in fact it's a not working method. So the result was a bit shitty, I would say, and I decided to put the silicone back for the second away for the second time. And I guess I will try to sell the plates directly this way. It's easier to transport, and maybe somebody who will be still interested in buying some pieces of glass without so many scratches. So that's all for the day. Hope everything is going fine at your place. See you next time.